How to deactivate your account on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate your account on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook. And now click on those three lines up there to get to this page, and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and click on personal and account information, and here click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. And now wait for a second and click on the second option again, which is deactivation and deletion. And here click on deactivate account to deactivate and click on continue to account deactivation, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.